Welcome to my top 5 in 5 minutes video series. I'm Kathleen Arola-Johnson of Creative Solace Studios, where art creates a soothing oasis for healing and self-growth. This top 5 in 5 video series is a set of short videos that I try to keep under 5 minutes each. Let's face it, we don't always have the time or are in the mood to listen to something long. In these videos, I share topics that are presented in 5 points, such as 5 steps on how to do something, 5 tips about something, or 5 favorites. I've condensed my thoughts and information down to the main ideas. The topics that I cover are art and wellness, but in the future I'm planning to add other topics as well. Art and wellness are my core focus though. My intention with making my top 5 in 5 videos are to share things that I've learned with others. A side benefit that I didn't realize would happen is that I've got to discover more about myself as well as I work to be clear about my intentions, my thoughts, and my reasoning behind the topics that I'm talking about. So it's a win for me too. That's the gist of my top 5 in 5 video series. If it sounds like it's your kind of thing and you like what I have to offer, please subscribe to my channel, like, and comment on the videos.